Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to hop on and do just a quick unboxing of this item that I just bought from the Gucci outlet. But before I get started, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I put out a lot of videos about contemporary designer handbags like Gucci Micro Guccissima Leather, as well as some luxury items like Gucci, Burberry, and Goyard. So this is an item from the Gucci outlet. I just wanted to show you the bag. You can see here it says Gucci in a white font. The lettering is a little bit raised, and then it is a pretty long bag. For what I got, it's a pretty big bag, which I think is funny. But this is the bag. It just has some tissue paper on the top, and that's kind of what it looks like. So just opening it up, this is what the inside looks like. So the first thing is my receipt. I'll put that aside for now because I doubt that's what most people want to see. And then we have the item. So this is the item. That's more barcodes. So it was $239 before tax. After tax, it was around $260. So opening it up. This is the packaging for the Gucci outlet now, which is interesting because I thought the packaging would still be that brown packaging, but I guess they have updated it. This is the inside. So this is actually the exact same dust bag that I got with my retail Gucci wallet, which is right here. So what I got was this Gucci key pouch. So it is in the Micro Guccissima Leather. It does have some piping along the sides. It's in a navy blue color. Silver hardware. You just have a leather pull tab. The hardware is not stamped with anything. It's just completely plain. Maybe if I turn off the light, it'll be easier for you to see. Yeah, completely plain. No stamping. And then when I open it up, this is what it's all inside. So first it's just some tissue paper to help hold the shape. Then you have the care card, more care cards, and then the control card, and just a little silica gel packet. And so this is the key fob. Let me take protective plastic off. So this is actually what kind of sold me on the item. You can see here, so it's not a clip like some of the retail Gucci clays, but it does have a really interesting detail there. Do you see how that kind of curves? I thought that was really cool. And I am planning on using this for my car key. So, not a key that I tend to take on and off of the key hook that often. It says made in Italy down there. It might be a little hard to read. And, okay, so now let's show you the interior. Here's the interior. It is fabric lined. And there's a Gucci tag there. It does have the stamping of a G because this is from the outlet. And then I believe the back should have, yeah, that's the serial number. So that is my Gucci clay. So I'll do a full video on this in the future, but I thought one thing that you might be curious about is, you know, I have the Guccissima Leather from the retail store, and I have this now Micro Guccissima Leather from the outlet. And how do they compare? And I think it's pretty obvious that the Guccissima Leather from the retail store is thicker. And, you know, it's just, this is thinner. So if that's something that really would bother you and you would rather not pay a luxury price for a thinner leather, then maybe you shouldn't shop at the outlet. But I really wanted a key pouch in leather with the Guccissima print from Gucci. They used to make it in the regular Guccissima from the retail store. It has now been discontinued, so this was like kind of my only option if I wanted that particular pattern. And I do think that some of the hardware details, again, even though this is from the outlet, are still really beautiful. So I am looking forward to switching into this. And just to show you really fast that my car key does in fact fit, this is my Coach key pouch. So this is my car key. So if I, I'll eventually take it off of this hook, but if I just hook it on like that, this fits in, and I have a Toyota Camry, so that's why that's like what this key is for. It fits in, zips up perfectly fine. So I will do, like I said, a more in-depth view of this and compare these two kind of more closely. I will say that if you are planning on getting something from the outlet or even the regular retail store, definitely look things over. I rejected a couple of these items because the glazing here just looked a little bit, I don't know, a little bit wonky. The floor item, the model that was out for people to look at, definitely had glazing just like missing in this corner, which makes me think this is like a weak spot. So I did check that out on all of the items. One of them had like a scuff of leather coloring missing, so you do really need to check the item before you buy it. So yeah, again, I'll do a more up close view of this, but that's just my first impressions and unboxing. So thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.